amin yung mga nanggana sa 5 kilometers. Ampers, taga Kenya. Panduwa, taga Cebu. Ayan o, 5,000 na sa champion. Ay, 10,000 gali.
And going to our 10 kilometer male and female category. For female category, with a race bib number for third placer for 10 kilometer female category.
Third placer naman ini sa female category, 10 kilometer.
For our second placer, with a race bib number 0037, with a time of 41 minutes and 52 seconds, Rizal Avelia. From Cebu City. Spectrum Runners po sa Cebu. Again, the exceptional for the first placer with the race bib number 0126 with the time of 41 minutes and 48 seconds, Miss Mary Rose Trias from Cebu City. Spectrum Runners from Cebu pa rin. Congratulations po. Let's give them a round of applause. Very exceptional. Nag-PR ang iban. Tour.
Taga Kamsur, third placer sa 10 kilometer male.
For our second placer for 10 kilometer category, male category, with a race bib number 0120 with a time of 34 minutes and 36 seconds, Mr. Marino Lagyap from Kamsur. Palakpakan po natin tanan ng ating mga second and third. For our first placer for the 10 kilometer male category with the race bib number 0036 with a time of 33 minutes and 58 seconds, Mr. Mark Mahinay from Cebu City. Let's give them a round of applause, please. You can actually, guys, take a photo opportunity sa ating mga winners na nag-podium for male and female category after po sa ating awarding ceremony.
Taga Cebu, di champion, 15,000 pesos. And second kag third, pares taga Kamsur.
Again, let's give them a round of applause. Nag-half Mary for today's
21.
first ever baggage time of 1 hour, 47 minutes and 57 seconds, Miss Cherry Andrin. She will be receiving a 10,000 pesos and a certificate. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Female na ini amin ang third placer sa female category sa 21 kilometer.
From Cebu City again.
Taga Cebu galini.
Let's give her a round of applause, please. For second placer with a race bib number 0139 with a time of 1 hour and 38 minutes and 7 seconds, Miss Michelle Zamora. She will be receiving a 20,000 pesos and a certificate. From Cebu City again.
Puro galit taga Cebu.
Let's give them a round of applause, please.
Sa female category sa 21 km.
The exceptional first placer for the first ever half marathon Bagat Dagat 2025 with a race bib number 0169 with a time of 1 hour and 38 minutes and 6 seconds, Miss Arjoy Torrigosa. She will be receiving a 30,000 pesos and a certificate from Cebu City.
Puro taga Cebu. Langgana sa female category sa 21 km.
Let's give them a round of applause,
dumalaga ng mga taga Cebu.
Palakpakan po natin ng mga top finisher for 21 km. Actually, guys, pwede kang magpa-picture sa Inda later after race bib number 0178 with a time of 1 hour and 16 minutes and 58
Sa
seconds.
mga lalaki na yun, sa
Mr.
21
Bolwo Daniel
kilometer.
Keberet from Kenya. Let's give him a round of applause, please.
Amin na ito nahimatay kanina. Ay, nahimatay
He
medyo...
will be receiving a 10,000 pesos in a
Nano ba yun eh?
certificate.
Nag-down pagkaabot din sa finisher.
For our second placer for male category for 21 kilometer with a race bib number 0175 with a time of 1 hour and 15 minutes and 46 seconds, Mr. Floriendo Lapis from Spectrum Runners from Cebu City.
Taga Cebuan masunod.
Grabe ang pagitan nila sa first and second. Only 3 seconds. For the first placer, with the race bib number 0097, with a time of 1 hour, 14 minutes, and 49 seconds, Mr. John Mark Dizon. He will be receiving 30,000 pesos in a certificate from Cebu City.
Dati ko sa...
Okay guys, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga top finisher for 21 kilometer, 10 kilometer, and 5 kilometer.